What is YouTube automation? YouTube automation means running a channel without appearing on camera. Instead, the videos are created through a simple process. Script, voiceover, video visuals, thumbnail. You either use AI tools or outsource the work, while you focus on managing and growing the channel. The niche you choose can decide whether your channel grows or not. Some niches perform very well on YouTube, like AI tools, finance, motivation, tech, facts, and mysteries. These topics usually get higher views and better ad revenue. Now let's talk about creating the video. First, generate a script using ChatGPT. Next, create a realistic voiceover using ElevenLabs. For the visuals, you can generate video scenes using AI tools like Runway ML, Higgsfield AI, Flow. These tools turn simple text prompts into real video scenes. Finally, combine everything together using an editor like CapCut. Your thumbnail and title decide if people click your video. A strong thumbnail can double your views. You can design them easily using Canva. Once your channel grows, you can earn through YouTube ads, affiliate marketing, sponsorships. When you reach 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, you can apply for monetization in the YouTube Partner Program. Final advice. YouTube automation isn't a get-rich-quick trick, but if you stay consistent and upload videos regularly, it can become a powerful passive income source. The secret is simple: good niche, good thumbnails, and consistency. If you want more videos about AI tools and making money online, subscribe to the channel and tell me in the comments. Would you start a YouTube automation channel?